Hey gang, it's Matt. I got something really cool to share with you guys today. I have just written my first book, and right now for the next 48 hours, it is 100% free on Amazon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the link to that book in the description, and I'm going to share it in the pinned comment. So let's go check out my book and see what it's about. Okay. So the Atlantic hurricane season just started on June 1st of this year. So appropriately enough, the title of my book is Before the Storm, the Old Florida Boy's Complete Hurricane Survival Guide. Here is a picture of the listing on Amazon, and it is 100% completely live. So if you want to go grab a copy of it right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it completely free for the first 48 hours. After that, the price is going to go to $4.99, and after 30 days, it's going to go up to $7.99. So grab it in the first 48 hours. But if you do that, I have one favor to ask. After you get the book and after you look through it, please go back on Amazon and leave me an honest review. A 5-star review would be great, but just leave me an honest review. It only takes 60 seconds, and it really helps me out with the Amazon algorithm, okay? Now, I wrote this book because I've lived in Florida my whole life. I've seen what happens when people prepare, and I've seen what happens when people don't prepare, and I've seen what happens when a light hurricane comes through. And at the same token is, I've seen what happens when a really bad hurricane comes through, and it flattens everything. And then good people are in a bad situation because they didn't prepare. Now, I've never seen all of this information in one place before. And this book's got everything. It's got what to do before the storm. It's got a room-by-room preparation guide, what to do during the storm, what to do when your power goes out, how to cook when your power goes out, how to purify water, and how to help other people that are in a bad situation too, because when a hurricane hits, face it, we're all in a bad situation. So if you want to grab your free copy in the first 48 hours and you find this book and this hurricane guide useful, once again, please leave me an Amazon review. It means a lot. And also, this is just the first book. I've got 4 more planned, maybe 5 by the end of the year. I mean, we're talking 28-day prepper workbooks, a Florida camp cooking cookbook, a wildlife identification guide, Central Florida swamp survival guide, and anything else that I can think of in there. I've got a bunch of these ebooks and e-guides coming out. It's going to be great. So once again, the link to my new book is in the description. Get it free for the first 48 hours. Don't forget to leave me an Amazon review. Once again, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the book trail.